Welcome to my channel, Black Girl in the Wild. It's your girl, Ty P. Everyone calls me Ty. My name is Tyrenda. And I wanted to thank you so much for checking me out and coming along with me on this journey of beginning to learn how to backpack. So, a little bit about me. I am in Idaho and I changed my thought process around outdoors after seeing all of the beautiful things that Idaho has to offer here and really expanding what I've always done, which is hiking and kind of jumping out into the outdoors and didn't have a problem doing, several mile hikes. And now I'm kind of expanding into wanting to start to sleep in the backcountry. So, not just hiking, but carrying my whole life for a day on my back and sleeping out with the bears. No, like literally, it's bear country here. We have a lot of bears. And so I wanted to share with you guys what that journey looks like as a 50-year-old beginner backpacker covering new territory, and just come along with me on this journey and we'll discover together. I will be doing some gear reviews, what it's like to be a plus size woman trying on gear and clothes and things that are meant for outdoors. And I'm hoping that you will learn along with me as I learn. So, welcome and thank you.